old do you have to be to use Snapchat? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are answering a question many of you have, that is, how old do you have to be to use Snapchat? So if you're considering joining or just curious, stay tuned as I explain everything. So first of all, let's briefly discuss what Snapchat is. It is a really popular social media application where you can share photos, videos, and messages that disappear after being viewed. Sounds fun, right? However, like most social platforms, there is an age requirement to use it legally. So according to the Snapchat's official terms service, you must be at least 13 years old to create an account. So that's the minimum age. Additionally, if you're under 18, you may need parental controls in some countries as well. So it's wise to check your local laws. So you might ask, why is there an age limit? The reason is safety and privacy. Platforms like Snapchat must comply with the laws such as Children's Online Privacy Protection Act (COPPA) to protect the children under 13 from inappropriate content and risk. Parents should be monitoring the apps your children are using. And if you're young users, it's perfectly fine to wait if you don't meet the age requirement yet. Snapchat will still be available for you later. So there you have it. You need to be at least 13 years old to use Snapchat, and following those rules is really important for a safer experience. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.